got it tied. Hang on. Alan, that's not your bow line.
Wait, Neil. I'll have the thing tied.
I don't want to go back. I just want to go towards.
But look at the strokes they put underneath it.
Yeah, the whole thing's gonna get lifted out right now.
Now you're going to be able to see the bottom.
Yeah, the ugly, ugly, ugly part. Good to see you. Sorry we haven't showered in like 3 or 4 days.
That's okay. That's okay. It's a pay it forward.
Yeah.
It's me.
I'll be paying it forward for a long time after this weekend.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about bike towing.
Right? I'm gonna be hiring boat detailers and all kinds of stuff for John. I almost owed him his life after last night, man.
Oh, he told me. He goes, oh
That
my
was
God,
scary.
Jen, the text he sent, we almost died.
That was the closest death experience I've ever seen in my life. It was bad. It was really bad.
What would have happened? You would have hit the bridge and it would have gone down, or the
I think the
tide
boat
would-
probably would have rolled under the bridge, to be honest. Hear all the oysters cracking? We'll get it off down below.
Yeah, he's going to upgrade it just enough so you get on the boat. Jennifer, I'm jumping. Good? Yep. Okay, get the chainsaw.